And one daughter, Liza. They were 12 lucky kids, except for one thing. Their mother died when they were very young. Let's face it, these kids had a nice life, but it was all about the dreams. Because their father was bringing home a surprise. Yes, this kind of surprise he was bringing. Oh, stepmother. Take a good look at the new queen. Look, my children, what pleasant surprise I have brought for you. Dear, these are my children, 11 boys and my adorable daughter, Eliza. She is like a mother to all the boys. Come on, let's go. The queen was not exactly the mother they wanted. She couldn't stand these kids. She called the witch a real witch. Don't all cry. Back you stand.
Take a pinch of this, a dash of that, add a cup of
Rubber, and then watch it bubble. Holy, 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 holy. Show your powers, my little holy. Love you, mama. You will sit on the girl's head and make her as foolish as you are. You, my sweet, will sit on her forehead and make her as ugly as you are. And you, my precious one, will sit on her heart as old and inhuman as yours. Come on, let us go.
Hey! Hey!
Aku punya teman kecil.